The desktop computing world is headed toward a massive, unprecedented wake-up call, and most people are completely blind to what is happening. For years, tech companies have tricked consumers into believing a simple lie, that if you want absolute, uncompromised desktop-class performance for heavy tasks like 3D rendering, coding, or high bitrate video editing, you have to buy a massive, loud, expensive tower computer that takes up half your desk and eats power like a household appliance. But behind the closed doors of Apple Park, Apple's elite silicon architects have just finalized a machine that completely shatters that illusion. It is the ultimate sleeper computer, a tiny, silent titan that is about to make multi-thousand-dollar custom PC rigs look ancient overnight. We are talking about the heavily classified, next-generation Apple Mac Mini M5. If you think you know what a compact computer can do based on previous generations, you are completely wrong. What Apple is doing with the M5 architecture is not just a standard speed bump. It is a calculated, aggressive move to dominate the entire desktop landscape, from casual home setups to high-end professional studios. The leaks slipping out of the global supply chain right now are absolutely wild, pointing to an ultra-dense aluminum block that packs the kind of raw computational horsepower and neural processing speeds that shouldn't even be physically possible at this scale. But why is Apple keeping this project under such intense lockdown? Because this tiny machine is incredibly dangerous for their competition. And honestly, it threatens the sales of their own highest-end machines. If you buy a desktop computer today without knowing exactly what the Mac Mini M5 is bringing to the table, you are going to experience massive buyer's remorse before the year ends. Stick with me, because we are about to pull back the curtain on the internal engineering, the next-generation architecture that redefines efficiency, and the exact reasons why the Mac Mini M5 is about to become the undisputed king of desktop computing. To truly understand why the Mac Mini M5 is causing serious panic across the tech industry, you have to look at the massive problem with modern desktop setups. Right now, creators and professionals are forced into a frustrating compromise. If you want a small, clean desk, you usually have to settle for lower power, thermal throttling, and loud, spinning fans that sound like a jet engine taking off when you push the system. If you want real, sustained power, you end up with a giant, heavy box under your desk with a maze of cables and a massive power bill. Apple looked at this friction and decided to completely rewrite the rules. The core strategy behind the Mac Mini M5 is simple yet brutal. Deliver full, workstation-level performance and advanced artificial intelligence capabilities, but pack it into a flawless, footprint-free enclosure that sits silently on your desk. Let us look at the absolute heart of this machine, because the M5 silicon leaks are sending shockwaves through semiconductor headquarters. For a long time, standard compact desktops were given lower-tier mobile chips, but the M5 architecture completely breaks away from past limitations. Built on an advanced, ultra-dense nanometer fabrication process, this chip squeezes billions of transistors into a microscopic space with zero wasted efficiency. We are looking at a radical multi-core setup that completely reimagines how a computer handles complex data. The M5 architecture splits tasks between high-performance cores and hyper-efficient cores with